Welcome, ladies, boys, girls, everybody, to Willis Talk. Yes, Willis Talk, home of everything that is talkable. Today we are visiting the Salem Carousel. There's some of the older horses and, whoa, llama, if you can see it there. Oh, look, a little baby unicorn. Maybe this way you can see the llama better. And a zebra. Let's take a look around. It's a pretty big building and it's been in existence for quite some time. Have a huge gift shop and only one door left to open. Let's take a look at their hours. Monday through Thursday 10 to 7, Friday, Saturday 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. Sundays 11 a.m. to 6. And then they have winter hours there. Let's go in and take a look around.
I'm gonna go this way real quick. Oops. I'm out of the way, so thank you for your patience with me.
Quite popular.
Look at these guys, they're so cute. Tiny.
Got lots of nice goodies in here. Puzzles for everyone. Stuffies. Hey, look. Llama. Horse, beaver. What? No ducks? Oh, don't let the Oregon ducks know. Ooh, anyone want a picnic basket? Everybody should have a picnic basket. And with lots of tasty, yummy goodies in it. Little knick-knack toys. Oh, trucks, horses. Hey, there's a horse trailer. Hey, this is where you can find a Little Mermaid. Or different kinds of unicorns. It's so fluffy I could die. Hey, want a pet pony?
How about a giant Olaf?
Here you go. This is what people could do with the pet pony. They can walk a pony. Walk a pony. You got some books here. All different kinds. And now here you go. Stealth plane. Other planes. Motorcycles, cars. No trains though. And look. There you go. What everybody, little girl needs. A pink pig, a purple pig with a skirt. Or a rainbow hedgehog. Where's the frog? It ain't easy being green. And of course, then let's go take a look. Oh, and look at that. Somebody's showing off an Eolif.
Look away, people. Look away.
Well, let's go out and take a look at what everybody comes here for. The great big carousel. The carousel of progress.
Sir, unless you're riding, I can't have you go out there. I'm sorry. Oh, no.
Oh. Okay, well, we'll have to cut our tour short, people, because they only let riders out there now for the carousel. But I will show you it through the windows.
Those are $4.99.
I haven't bought a beanie baby for a year. My mom.
And I will show you the prices for the rides.
Yeah, we'll hopefully get more. But yes, we should let you right there.
What is he?
And they have something extra going on right now.
Sorry, I'm sorry. This is, oh no, I didn't know if there's a prize.
Get 18 rides for 20 bucks or 50 rides for 55 bucks. Now there's good deals. Well, I hope that you enjoyed this visit to the carousel. Join us next time on Willis Talk for anything new and different.